It is March 30th. Mr. Singh's home. I'm going to attempt to repair on a wind damaged shingle. This is our shingle I want to do attempting repair on. So it is 3:30, 23. It's about 62 degrees. And this is Mr. GH. We got a 3-tab shingle. Replacing that. Set the camera here. There we go. Alright. So we have our roof snake tool. Which we need to unseal. Unseal the damaged shingle. Seal the lens. Make sure the shingle goes all the way to here, so I'm going to move the phone. Tape measure, help hold it up. Okay. I'm going to take these fasteners out of here. There's one. There's two. Let's see. That's the shingles on the rip because secured the wood, and wood is strong in the asphalt shingle. Gotta get one more course up. Okay. Alright, now to remove the shingle, looks like Certainteed X25. You can see certain slogans on there. Measurement of it. We're right at 36 inches. Alright. So now we know what it is. Put this one back so I don't have the thing with me. We'll see how that goes. Looks like we got 30-pound felt in here. Slide this one back in place. Here's our roof snake and our hatchet. Put these fasteners back in place. Place it on the nail line. Run our nail on. Nails, because the other one's real rusty. Come on. Okay. Nail on. Find a different place because these have holes in them already. Can't reuse the same holes. He wants it flush so I can not stick up and have nail pops. So this is the shingle replaced. We had to touch this shingle. This shingle, this is what's known in the industry as the snake bite, where you can see the snake tool has hit these shingles and it's trying to impact. So they have a little dention on them. Nothing purposeful, but what it does, that's going to do is that's going to decrease the service life of the shingle, reduce the water shedding abilities, because over time that it's going to lose more and more granules. So not only do these shingles have additional holes in them because I had to move the nails over, but now we've got more granule loss and damage to the shingles just from having to put new fasteners in. So I'll take some pictures for documentation as well, and as well along with the other considerations.